You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this disease, liver disease. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you, more pronunciations to learn from. Non-alcoholic, it's usually referred to as simply NASH. You can just say NASH, but if you want to say the full name, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, that's British English pronunciation. Steatohepatitis, American English pronunciation, the way it would be pronounced in the US. Steatohepatitis, with flap T's, that sounds like D, so non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, or English pronunciation, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.